Hi guys, what's up? And today I'm gonna be doing some slime stuff. So I got this one. So let's just open it. Okay. Okay, so anyways. Okay. We got some stuff. Let's put it onto here. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's nice. And it's nice, yes. Oh, it's nice. And to prove that I just got this, here's some of the packaging. You can see the slime kind of. I don't know if you can see it, but there's slime on there. Yeah. Okay. It looks nice, but it doesn't feel that great. So, okay, let's try the thing. Okay, let's try the thing to make a bubble. What? It doesn't make the sound. Okay, oh my goodness, how dare I? I'm just gonna put it back in the jar like nothing ever happened. The second one might be better. I'm just not even gonna bother about the stick. So, the packaging is pretty. Okay, let's open it. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's get this out. Oh my goodness, it's full. Oh, get out. Oh yes. The slime really stretches. Let's move it out here more. Let's drink some of this Coke. There we go. I've been trying to figure out the camera angle forever, but then I finally got it. But at least it's worth it. Oh, there's a hole. It's like somebody screaming at the top of their lungs. Like a ghost. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I feel like that slime, it's a little sticky. It's fun. I'll give it a 4 star. This slime, on the other hand, it's not that sticky. It doesn't need anything. It makes great pops. And also, the cereal kind of slime, the theme is. It smells great. Wait, what is this smell? It smells like Sour Patch Kids. Oh my goodness. This one smells like a candle. A great candle. Pop. Pop. Pops again. Like, if you get a closer look, there's these things in the slime. I have to push them down. Like, okay, so I'll turn it more, the camera more, like there. Let's move our slime over here. Wow, stretchy. I was about to pour the Coke on my slime. Okay, let's roll this up. Imagine if there was a song about cereal. What would it be like? Maybe like the Pat a Cake Man song, but instead of pat a cake, it's cereal cake. I don't know. Let me stretch. Wait. Okay, so we need it to get a hole in it. No, not like that. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Savannah. Okay, that was the best thing I've ever done. And yes. My dog. My dogs. Shut up. Well, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and bye.